Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to watch YouTube videos on Android Auto. CarStream is a third-party app made specifically for Android Auto. It works by embedding YouTube videos inside Android Auto's interface using WebView. Firstly, on your Android phone, open Settings. Go to Security and turn on Install Unknown Apps or Allow from Unknown Sources. This step lets you install apps not found in the Play Store. Now open your mobile browser and visit the AAAD GitHub page. Download the Android Auto Apps Downloader APK file, and once downloaded, tap it to install the app. Grant the necessary permissions for installing third-party apps. Now open the AAAD app and from the list of available apps, find CarStream. Tap Download to install the latest version and wait for the installation to finish. Now plug your phone into your car via USB cable and launch the Android Auto on your car screen. Now on the Android Auto interface, scroll through the list of apps, find CarStream and tap it to open. Now you can browse and play YouTube videos right from your car's infotainment screen. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.